So Hinduism is a big religion. They're playing Indian holy music. It's a Roti place and it's an ideal Caribbean place. You can hear soca music. It's beautiful. And look at this bar. Look at this beautiful bar. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another YouTube video from New York City. So today we are in Little Guyana in the Queensboro of New York City. So we will be going to all these kind of West Indian restaurants, trying out different foods, checking their markets. So come on, guys, let's go and check it out. So guys, a quick background about this neighborhood. It's very West Indian. It's called Little Guyana, but you have got Trinidadian, Guyanese restaurants and businesses and bakery shops, all of that. So we're gonna go and explore that. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. So come on, guys. Wow, look at the fresh vegetables that's available over here. Papayas, bananas, so Caribbean. Guavas, wow, this is beautiful. Eggplants, cilantros, wow, avocados. This is a beautiful fresh grocery store. I love Little Guyana. Guyanese culture has a lot of Indian influence to it. They're playing Indian holy music. So it's just, you are in Little Guyana, but you can feel the culture, the mix. It's so nice. And they have got all kinds of Indian cuisine also, because Guyanese and Trinidadian food has a lot of Indian influence because there's a huge Indian population in both these islands. I mean, Guyana is not an island, but Trinidad is. So let's go and check it out. Here you go, Little Guyana Bake Shop. Let's go and try it out. Wow, it looks really nice. I think it's a grocery store with a bakery inside here. So, Little Guyana Bake Shop, guys. This is how the bakery inside looks like. It has got all kinds of nice West Indian chips. This is tea they have, utensils, very ethnic type of products, and you can hear the West Indian accent everywhere. It's called Guyana Pomeroy Syrup. I have no idea what it is, but it looks interesting. And they have got all other kinds of really cool stuff. Wow, what is this? Sort of a green seasoning, all kinds of seasoning for West Indian food, West Indian cooking. So again, if you're into West Indian cooking, if you like to try out some of these jerk chickens and stuff like that, if you want to cook it at home, or goat curry, etc., come over here, do some grocery shopping, help the community. Wow, look at the chicken patties, some desserts. This is the cakes. This is beautiful, all kinds of bakery. And I'm going to also get, this is called salsev. This is very traditional Guyanese. Look at this. These are kind of these things that you can get over here. It's just so nice. And they have the banana chips. Very Guyanese, very West Indian. Again, this is all frozen fish. I'm very sure that they just got from the Caribbean. And they have a goat meat. In Indian grocery stores, they have rice, because rice is a staple food in the Caribbean also. As I said, there's a lot of Indian influence. So you've got basmati rice over here. Really authentic stuff. And I'm going to put a link of this place. You can definitely come over here and check it out. I've got some nice candies over here, the caramel candies. This is the Cadbury milk bar. This is so much like if you're in, as Guyana and the West Indies had a lot of British influence because it was former colonies of England. So you get those chocolates over here as well. You've gone to the UK, especially to the duty free, they know about Quality Street. It's very well known. These are fantastic. There's all kinds of British chocolates. Nestle's is not available in most of the stores outside in New York, but this is very, as I said, Guyanese, British. Even in India, we get this a lot. So guys, there's all kinds of religion, people, etc. In Guyana. Hinduism is a big religion. So here you go. There is a Hindu temple over here also in Little Guyana. And also just across there's a church. I love the religious harmony that, West Indians have. They live together, there's different cultures, they mingle, different kinds of food, all of that. And still, this diaspora is so beautiful. This mixing, all the cultures go together, they intermarry. None of the other stuff somewhere, sometimes you see in other cultures where, people, although they're together, have been living for ages, but still there is a divide. That's not in the West Indian culture, which is something to be admired about. Hi guys, so we are at the Singh's curries place. It's a roti place and it's an ideal Caribbean place. You can hear the soca music. It's beautiful. And look at this bar. Look at this beautiful bar over here. So we have ordered some curry beer, which is a local beer, and some rotis. The rotis are available from that side. It's just fantastic. I can't wait to eat it. So cheers guys. Got this curry beer. It's very Trinidadian. So loving having this beer, waiting for my roti, and enjoying the Carib music. This soca music. This is called soca. It's so Caribbean. So much Trinidadian. It's just fantastic. I feel like I'm in Port of Spain, guys. Cheers. Definitely visit this place. I'm going to put a link below. You can come over here in Little Guyana, Singh's Roti place. So this is goat with spinach, and this is the shrimp. It looks so yummy. And here you go, here's the rotis. Let's check it out, guys. Wow. This is with the dal in it. It's like the peas actually. And with stuffings. This is so great. Now I'm going to just dig in and taste it. Let's see how it tastes. This is just so yummy. You can taste the shrimp curry with this roti. The flavors are just constant. It has that kind of the Caribbean, a little bit of Indian, because rotis are Indian. So that's what I said, that in Trinidad and Guyana, all these Caribbean islands in the West Indies, there's a lot of Indian and African both influences, and so you can taste that flavor right over here. This is yummy. Singh's Roti Shop. So guys, I'm in front of Sybil's Bakery and Restaurant, and this is one of the landmark places of Little Guyana. Definitely it's a must visit when you're here. So let's go in and let's check it out, what kind of food is inside. Come on in. Wow, it's crowded. Look at the amazing food over here. This is Sybil's, guys. You can actually sit over here too, but this is very Guyanese, very Caribbean. All kinds of really Caribbean, authentic Caribbean food. And they have got the bread that so definitely visit Sybil when you're over there. It's an absolute must that you should be here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So we're going to go back to Manhattan again. So we're going to say goodbye to Little Guyana. The sun is setting. It's the evening almost. It's cold. And just the last thing, if you're enjoying my video, please hit the subscribe and the like button. And please put a comment below. And do not forget to hit the bell icon, because that's how we will know all the new videos that are coming out. Good night and ciao from New York City, from Little Guyana, and see you soon again. Take care, guys.